welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be showing you guys how I cut the lace off of my unit. So right here is a 4x4 lace closure unit that I constructed. If you do not know, I do own my own custom wig business. It is called KMajestics.com, and it will be linked in the description below, as well as a coupon code that you can use, as well as I do sell other products. But we're just going to go ahead and get right into this video. So all I'm doing is I just took off my scarf, and then I'm just getting ready to cut the lace off. Okay, so I'm going to be taking an eyebrow razor. It is 99 cents at your local beauty supply store, and I'm just starting from the edge and I'm cutting as close as I can. You want to make sure that you don't get too close to make sure you have a little bit of lace left, just for certain purposes. So if you need to go back, pluck some hair, or do any other alterations, you can. And I am just slowly cutting this off. Okay, the reason I like to use this eyebrow razor is because it gives kind of like that jagged look, and it makes it look more natural. Okay, so once you cut it off, obviously I would go back in and put my foundation over the lace to make sure that is blending how I want it to be. But right now, all I'm doing, I'm just going straight across, and I'm just using this eyebrow razor to cut it off. Okay, I like to use this instead of scissors, because sometimes when you use scissors and you cut it straight across, it looks real boxy and it doesn't give you a natural hairline. Okay, so this is literally all I do, you guys, whenever I cut my units off, and I love this method. Like I said, it's only 99 cents, and I get it from my local beauty supply store. So now, as you can see, the lace is off, and I'm just making sure if there's any more pieces of the lace I want to cut off and whatnot. So now I'm getting ready to add my baby hairs. I'm not going to add too much. Now, if you're not a huge baby hair person, you obviously could just wear your hair like this, style it as you want. But I like baby hairs every now and then, so I'm going to take some baby hairs. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just combing the hair back so I don't cut unnecessary hair, and then I'm just going to start to part the edges of my lace out. Okay, I do not take a lot of hair out when I'm doing my baby hairs. I take very, very minimal hair. Okay, and then what I'm going to use to cut it with, I'm going to use that same razor, or you can get some scissors to cut your baby hairs with. And then all I like to do is I take the comb after I cut it, and I like to use mousse to lay my hairs down. Okay, now you can use Got2b gel or any other type of gel or jam, but I prefer to use mousse because it doesn't make my baby hairs look really harsh and hard. Okay, and so I'm just doing the swoop motion, just getting them how I want, having them laid. And as you can see, I didn't do a lot. I just kind of put them in the corners of my hair, you guys, and that is literally it. Okay, so I hope you guys like this quick tutorial, and make sure you go watch some of my other videos, and stay tuned for more hair videos as well as makeup videos, and I will see you guys in the next video.